Is this my hoodie? It's my hoodie. Okay, cool. Oh, that didn't go as planned. Oh, wait a minute. I tried to do a dope intro. Wait a minute. Jesus, take the whip. Okay, move the fan. Y'all just give me a second. All right. Oh, I'm not even in the center of the... Man, what the... I don't even know what that sound was. Again, KIP Customs, restorations, and customized IL. That's not even the order. What is up, y'all? It's your boy KIP Customs, Customs and Restorations by your very own, and today I am bringing you my very first storytime telling video. And you know what's crazy is we are also going to be talking about the most infamous Daystar Peterson, aka Tory Lanez, because you know this story involves him. So let's get right to it. So let's go back to probably 2017 of college. I was at VCU, and you know, homecoming season was rolling around. Your boy was on top of his A game, you know, taking care of work and getting them grades and making sure I was, you know, living life to the best of my abilities, you know, fresh out of mom and dad's house, not trying to go back, trying to write out this degree thing and just be great at what I do. So I find out that we're gonna have Tory Lanez, Shy Glizzy, and 24 Hours for our homecoming lineup, right? So of course I'm excited. This is way before he shot Meg and all the controversial stuff in the media right now against him. Like, he was still like up and coming, and he wasn't really, you know, like doing too much or something, but he was something, and he wasn't, you know, in the news for bad reasons, right? So I find out that we got Tory, and I'm like, yo, this is like a big moment. This is crazy. Let me try to do the impossible, customize for my man, try to meet him and pick his brain as being an OG fan. I'm talking about like all his throwback mixtapes, chicks tapes 1 through 5, the conflicts of my soul, and I can keep going on and on and on, right? So I'm customizing shoes for like my current clients at that time. Mind you, I think the first Yeezys just came out, and my homie was like, bro, can you bring him back? Because they were a little beat. His name is Lucas, it's Mucus. I'm dropping that right here. Shout out to my boy. Go follow him. He's got crazy trick shots. And, you know, he was like, bro, can you fix these? I was like, yeah, I got you, bro. Like, me and him go way back, like high school days, like volleyball team together, you know what I'm saying? So I got his shoes, and I was like cleaning them. I was trying to clean them, and the stuff won't coming out. Plot twist, I know now with the boost on Yeezys and the OGs that first came out, you gotta paint them. But anyway, I didn't know how to really restore them at that time. So I was like, bro, like the dirt's not coming out. I gotta just, you know, give you back your shoes. And instead of him paying me cash, he gave me Concord 11s, right? And these Concord 11s happen to be a size 8. And guess whose shoe size was a size 8? Tory Lanez. So he was like, it's all good, bro. Don't even worry about it, and you can keep the shoes. So I was like, all right, bet. And I was sitting in my dorm room one night. I was like, I got these shoes, and I don't know what to do with them, but I want to get them off my hands. Did the research, found out Tory Lanez's shoe size. And I immediately went to work, and I was like, what's a dope concept, right? So I did Gucci. I was like, I've never done a Gucci custom. Why not? And then here we are with this Gucci colorway on these Concord 11s, and I worked all day and night on these. I was super nervous. I was like very particular with details and specifications, like I normally am with any shoe I customize and or restore. But this was like, yo, Tory Lanez is gonna be rocking these. Tory Lanez is gonna see these up and close and personal. Like, these have to be perfect. So I'm like consistently working. Mind you, I still got girls playing me for goofies, and you know, people just counting me out and just, you know, trying to you know, play me and pretty much knock my worth. And I'm just like Your boy about to be rolling around in Tory Lanez entourage. Finally get them done. I got them done the day before of homecoming, right? And I had some other BS going on at that time I'm not going to speak on because it's not worth the time or day. But if you know, you know. Them to the concert coordinator. She set it up, she put him in his dressing room, and then the rest is history, yo. Like, I remember my boys were next to me at the concert, and they're like, bro, Tory Lanez is rocking your shoes. I'm like, yo, that's K.I.P. And then I finally got a good view of him. Homie is sitting on stage in my Gucci 11s that I customized for him. I was just like starstruck the whole night. Like, yo, you couldn't tell me nothing. I thought I made it, and you know, I just had this elaborate plan like, oh, I am a millionaire. Didn't go that way, obviously. I kind of mentioned that a little bit in my first King's lifestyle vlog when I was speaking on the whole Meg and, you know, Tory Lanez situation in the first place. And, you know, just, you can check that video out if you want more details. I don't want to repeat myself. And, you know, yeah, and here we are. But that was like a great experience. I definitely know what to do differently next time I ever to try to, you know, customize for a celebrity. And, you know, but nonetheless, it was a great experience, and I'm glad like I made it that far in the customizing game, because there's a lot of people who don't make it that far, or who don't have the honor of saying those things. So I'm very grateful and humble despite my situation not going the way I wanted it to go. So thank you all for checking out this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you all are watching this Friday, the 25th. If not, you will probably be watching this video Monday. But I'm gonna do what I can to get this edited, uploaded, and, you know, dropped on my page. This is like a surprise drop. I already dropped 2 videos earlier, but I'm gonna drop this one as a surprise, you know, just as an appreciation for the fans. And nonetheless, I'm gonna get this up here. You're gonna see it eventually, whether it's Friday the 25th or it's Monday the 28th. Regardless, y'all gonna get this content, baby. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.